welcome back to my channel. So for this video, we're about to do an apartment dorm room makeover. Okay, my apartment looks a mess right now. Oh, before we get into the video, let's just talk about my hair. Okay, honey. Okay, but yeah, so my apartment is a mess right now, as you guys can see. Oh, and also guys, I already did like a dorm room tour on this room last year, so I'm still living in the same place. So this fall I'm gonna live in the same place that I lived in last semester, well, last year, the whole year. So I'm still in the same place. This video is just to do like a room makeover, like a dorm room makeover. So as you guys already know, my dorm room is like it's like an apartment style dorm room. It's not the regular like dorm room with like the room. Mine has like a living room and a kitchen. So yeah, let me just go ahead and show you guys around all the mess. Okay, so that's the entrance to my room, and then this is the kitchen, and then this is like the living room area. It's a mess. So like I record right there. Yeah, everything is a mess. My room is crazy. So the room is for 2 people, but I only my roommate is not here. Obviously, I live in this room by myself. So yeah, I'm gonna be living by myself this semester. Yeah, so everything is just a huge mess right now. I don't know how we got into this state, but we're gonna clean it up. That's the bathroom as well. We gotta just switch everything up. I need like new curtains, like cute curtains. I gotta just clean, like everything is everywhere. My clothes are everywhere. And ooh, let's get into my outfit real quick. Hold on, let's get into my dress. Okay, so this dress is from Mo Couture on Instagram. Please make sure that you check her out. She makes really cute African print dresses. So Mo Couture on Instagram, make sure you check her out, okay? So yeah, this is my room right now. It's crazy. Like, what's going on? What's actually going on? So yeah, now I'm gonna go shopping. I'm gonna go to Walmart and shop for new stuff. You know, we gotta clean it up, probably buy like new decor for my room and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'll see you guys there. I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. You know, keep watching and stay tuned, okay? Alright, guess who's helping me shop today? We have the king back on the channel. So like I said, Kingsley will be giving me a ride. He also just moved into a new apartment, so he's gonna shop for his apartment too. So we're heading to where?
We're heading to Walmart, where you get the cheap stuff.
Where?
Walmart.
Where?
Walmart.
Say it again.
Walmart, Nadia, stop.
Hey guys, so we're now in Walmart. I don't know exactly what I want to buy for my apartment. Like, I don't really know exactly what I'm here to buy, but if I see something cute, I'm getting it. But I really need like a broom, a nice I don't know, like I think I need like a lot of cleaning supplies, and I also need like a bathroom curtain. But other than that, I don't know what else I would need today, but we'll see. Hey guys, this is all the stuff that we bought. This is literally all my stuff. How much was it? Hey guys, so it's the next day, and as you guys can see, my apartment is just crazy. I just came back from grocery shopping, so I'm gonna start by putting the groceries in the fridge, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my living room. So as you guys can see, this is my living room right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna start off by just putting everything in the fridge, the groceries, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning. So yeah, let's do that. So now that I'm done putting my groceries away, I'm gonna start cleaning the living room. I'm gonna move the camera. I'm almost there. Like, the living room is looking good. Well, so far. All right, guys, so I usually really like to record on this wall that's next to my room. Let me show you guys. So it's like right by the windows. I really like to record there, so I'm gonna decorate it with I'm gonna decorate that wall with this fake plant. So yeah, let's just see how this goes.
Let's go.
When I see you in the club, would you dance for me? Would you dance for me? Would you dance for me? Take my hand, step your blast, quick jijo, money jijo, money jijo.
Alright guys, so this is where I usually like to record. Well, this is without my ring light, of course, but I think the flower came out really cute. Alright, so now I'm basically done with the living room. I just gotta move some stuff around. Now we're gonna move on to my room, and yeah, hopefully that goes well.
Has to come and get this one dance from you. Can I get this one dance from you, girl? Can I get this one dance from you? Can I get this one dance from you, girl?
Killer, back it, she's a back kid, killer. They do like this, they do younger. She's a back kid, killer.
I got the moves, you know I got the moves. Baby, make we groove. So baby, make we groove. So we go killing them, we go giving them. So make we kaku shaku saku no de done. Baby, come my way, make me go my place. Mommy, you sing it, daddy, you sing it. No, they misbehave. Our love no go missy place. This your waist na kiss. You got to come my place. This one dance from you. Dance from you. Can I get this one dance from
Hey guys, so my room is basically done. Almost. I just gotta vacuum it and, you know, do some final touches. And what's left is the bathroom. Okay.
to the left, to the right, to the front, to the back? Should to the left, to the right, to the front, to the back. Show them, show them, yeah. Rusky on the beat,
Whoa.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, Nadine subscribers.
Say hi.
Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.
Oh.
our love no go missy place. This your waist na kiss. You got to come my place. This one dance from you. Can I get this one dance from you, girl? Can I get this one dance from you? Can I get this one? make we groove. So baby, make we groove.
Deep cleanse done. Period.